For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the
Tor, Rock County, Wisconsin.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin until 8:15 p.m. At 7:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Evansville, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar-indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Janesville, Edgerton, Evansville, Fulton, Indianford, and Leiden. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a flash flood warning for central Maine, south-central Wisconsin,
Edgerton, Evansville, Fulton, and Indianford.
Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms
Moving
producing heavy rain
northeast
across
at
the
20
lower
miles per
area.
hour.
Between 1.5
Emergency shelter,
and
Rock
2
County
inches
is
of
clear.
rain
Night
has fallen.
8:45.
Additional rainfall amounts